Okay, we are now on question number 20, TEKS 8.4b. It says Natasha earns $54 each week for the 9 hours she works at her, for the 9 hours she works at her after-school job. Which graph has a slope that best represents Natasha's hourly rate of earnings each week? I don't know why it says that twice. Sorry about that. That's the way it's written. So we want to find which graph has a slope that best represents Natasha's hourly rate of earnings each week. That's what we want, okay? So to do so, we need to do something, all right? We need to identify what is an X value, what is a Y value, okay? I'm going to use time as an X value, and I'm going to use, let's put this up a little bit. I'm going to use money, because she makes $54 an hour, or excuse me, each week, as a Y value. Okay. Now, in order for me to find what the slope of this equation is, I simply need to put Y over X. Okay. That means that I'm going to take $54 and put it over 9 to see how much she makes each hour. From there, I'll be able to write my slope, okay? So to do so, let's go to our scratch pad. Let's go to calculate. I'm going to have 54 divided by 9. I end up with the answer of 6. That means that each hour that she works, she makes $6, okay? If she works no hours, she makes $0, okay? So that means that this is going to be a proportional slope. My equation then will be in the form of y equals mx. So I'm simply going to plug in 6 for m and have an equation of y equals 6x, okay? Now here's what I can do. Using my equation, I'm going to graph and compare it to the graphs that I have below. So let's scroll up just a little bit, okay? So here's what we're going to look at. I'm going to go over to the home screen. I'm going to click on graph. I'm going to click on tab. And I'm simply going to put in 6x. You don't need to put the y. I'm going to push enter, okay? I am going through the origin, okay? So what I can do, the first thing without doing anything else, is eliminate answer choices that don't match that description, okay? If I look at the first choice, which is letter F, I can eliminate this because it doesn't go to the origin. This is going straight up and down. This is what's known as an undefined slope. So this is incorrect, okay? If I look at letter H, it looks like it's going through the origin. If I look at letter G, it looks like it's going through the origin, and I look at letter J, it also looks like it's going through the origin, okay? So the next thing would be, this is a positive slope. Looking at them, they are all positive except the undefined slope, okay? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and bring up a table and see if I can't figure out which points are actually on my graph. So I'm going to push Control, and I'm going to push T, okay? So I know I'm going to have 0, 0. They all have 0, 0. So let's go with letter H first, okay? My first point is going to be at 1 and 6, okay? What we're going to say is because time is an X, I'm going to go 1, and money is a Y, and I'm going to go up to 6. Here's 1, here's up to 6. I don't have a point at 1 and 6. So I know that letter H is not the answer. So let's go over to letter G. So this one's a lot easier to tell because when I go over to 1 on my X, I don't have anything at 6. There's nothing here. There's literally nothing here. So I know that letter G is also incorrect. Okay, so just to be sure, let's look at letter J. I'm going to go over 1, and I'm going to go up 6. Sure enough, kiddos, there is a point at 1 and 6. Okay, my answer is J. Thanks so much for watching my videos. I love your support. Continue to watch. See you next time. Spider-Man, tell him. Peace out.